Hey there, I'm Lee Meyer, and I'm the founder of ListingToFreedom.com, where I teach people like you how to make money flipping thrift finds. In this video, I'm going to show you what sold in my eBay account this last week. I have my sales pulled up, my eBay account all pulled up so I can show you the numbers, but I did over $960 in sales. Now this is a gross number, it is not the net profit. I calculate my net profit on a monthly basis, and you can watch the last month's video in my YouTube channel. And while you're there, make sure that you subscribe and like this video. It really helps my channel out. All right, so let's jump on over to my computer so I can show you my sales. All right, so are you ready to do this? This is my sales page, the eBay Seller Hub, and you can see that the previous 7 days, which counts actually today, it's showing $773. I'm filming this bright and early in the morning, so I haven't had any sales yet for today, but I'm positive that I will. And then if I go over to my orders tab, and I have this filtered down to the dates from the previous 7 days before this, I had 43 sales, and that was a total of $960 in sales. And so I'll scroll through these for you to see, but I also have several of them pulled up that we'll talk about. So it was a pretty good week, almost $1,000. So hopefully this next week I'll break $1,000. All right, so there's all the sales. And then here's some of the items that I have pulled up. This first one is a 3D puzzle, and it's of Michelangelo's Sistine Chapel. It's super cool. I actually got it for myself. It was a free item, and I built it, and it's painted on the inside, or painted on the inside. I put it all together. I actually left it together in the box, so it's already all put together, but I did get it for myself, and then I was going to get rid of it because I had done the puzzle. It was done. I wasn't doing it again, and I happened to look it up on eBay and saw that it was worth a little bit of money. So it sold for $23 plus $14 of shipping. So I still got to get this one shipped. The next item I have here is Carhartt jean shorts. I believe I may have shown these to you before because I did sell them on an offer for $15. I got a return for fit. So the buyer paid the return shipping. I'm not out any money. And then they sold again on an offer for $16.99 that I had sent out. So those are going out a second time. And then this Nike Pro Combat men's compression shirt. I find these compression shirts are super popular. This one sold for $16.99 plus $5.50 shipping. And it sold in about 2 weeks. Levi's men's jeans. Levi's men's are probably one of my better sellers. These ones sold for $20.24 on sale, plus $9 of shipping. And then American Eagle women's shorts. These ones sold for $18.99. And if you're wondering why your shorts aren't selling for $18.99 from American Eagle, it's most likely the size. So these were a size 18, which I believe is pretty hard to find in American Eagle because it's, in that plus size range. So these sizes do sell for more, whether they're jeans or the shorts. So look for those bigger sizes in American Eagle. All right, next is a Columbia jacket. This is super cute. I don't normally buy Columbia, but it was just so cute. I'll show you some of the pictures here. It has this kind of textured fabric, so that I accepted an offer of $20 and $6.99 for shipping on that. This one's a North Face men's button-up shirt. It's nylon, and then it has a vented back. So that's what the vented back looks like. It has some Velcro lifts up, and it has mesh underneath, so it's super breathable. That sold for the full asking price of $24.99 plus $5.50 shipping, and that sold in just a few days. This one is a REI vintage men's sweater. It's 100% wool. I did list this on June 2nd, so don't be afraid to list winter items in the middle of summer. They will still sell. It did take about 5 to 6 weeks to sell, and that sold. I accepted an offer on this for $25 plus It was actually ended up being international shipping to Seoul, Korea. So happy to get that during the summertime. And then these are Lucy women's pants. Lucy is the activewear brand, and these were extra large tall. These sold for the full asking price of $18.99 plus $5.50 shipping, and they sold in 2 weeks. Some men's Nike jogger pants. These are just basic sweatpants, and these sold for $16.99 plus $7 of shipping. And again, it was about a week to 2 week range for these to sell. I did have some outstanding offers when this sale came through, so I had an offer for $10, and then I had another offer from another person for $14, and I was sitting on that $14 one, kind of waiting to see what would happen, and then somebody bought it at full price of $16.99. All right, a few more here. Duluth Trading women's activewear pants. Now, these are activewear. I typically think of Duluth Trading as workwear, but these sold actually pretty quickly. Let me see when I listed them, July 16th. So it was right about a week for those to sell, and they sold for $23. That was the offer that the buyer submitted to me, plus $6.99 is shipping. All right, vintage women's skirt. This is a maxi length. I always use the term modest if it's a style, it's a button up, and I got an offer on this for $18.50. It's not a brand I would typically think of buying, but because it's a vintage style and the button up denim skirt, I went for it, so $18.50 plus $9 of shipping, and this one sold in a day. And then some shoes. These are the last ones I have for you. And they are Allegria is the brand. I think I'm saying that right. And they are a European brand. So you'll see that they're a size 40. I always do the conversion over to US. These sold for $22.49 plus shipping. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing inside my account and seeing what sold this week. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.